Hi, I'm Maya. Welcome back to my Beginner Pilates series. Today we're focusing on Pilates for good posture and a healthy spine. You don't need any equipment, so go ahead and grab your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. If you're not able to watch this right now, please add to your watch later and join us when you can. All right, so today we're starting sitting. Go ahead and find a comfortable position. You can cross the legs, and then from here, we're gonna go ahead and interlace the hands, and we're just gonna push them up towards the ceiling. So we're just reaching up nice and long. I want you to lift those shoulders up, and then draw the shoulders down. We're just gonna take that again. So a little shoulder shrug, lift, and lower those shoulders. Good, let's take that again. Lift, and shoulders drop. And then let's take that one last time. Lift, and then shoulders pull down. All right, now from here, let's go ahead and bring the hands to the side. We're going to go ahead and reach up and over. So we're pulling that right elbow down to the floor, and we're reaching over with the left arm. Just take a nice side stretch. I want you to really pull that left hip down as much as you can. And then from here, let's bring that hand behind the head, and we're going to twist towards that right knee. And then I want you to open up the chest. And then let's take that again. Good, let's take a big inhale this time. Open up the chest. Use that exhale, pulling the elbow forward and open. And let's just take that one more time. Open it up. Good, now from here, we're just gonna come up and over to the other side. So left palm is down, you're pulling that elbow towards the floor, reaching up and over with the right arm, you're anchoring this right hip down into your mat. And take a second. So you're reaching nice and long with the fingertips. And then from here, let's bring the hand behind the head. And then we're twisting towards that left knee, opening up the chest. And again, we twist. And open. And again for 3. Good, 2. And one more time. And then from here, just go ahead and center out. All right, so now go ahead and come into a 4-point kneel. So on the hands and knees, we're pressing firmly into the palms. Let's go ahead and take this into our cat-cow. So we're gonna round into that spine. You're pulling your belly button up and in. And then go ahead and release that tailbone, lifting the chest up. And let's take that again. And sending the hips and tailbone up towards the ceiling. 2 more here. Big scoop into the back. And release. And take that one more time. And release. Now from here, I want you to find a nice neutral spine. So you're not arching, you're not rounding into the back. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and reach the right leg out nice and long. I want you to extend your left arm out as well. We're going to lift that leg up, and we're going to sweep this arm back. Reach it out. And then lower down. And let's take that again. We lift, bend that knee as you reach the left arm back, reach it out, and lower. We're gonna take that again. Lift, and sweep that arm, reach it back, and lower. And let's take that one more time. Lifting up, sweep it back. Good, reach, lower. Now from here, let's go ahead and take a stretch. So I'm going to have you bend that knee or lift the leg. Now bend that knee one more time. And let's go ahead and take that left arm. We're sweeping it back again. I want you to reach for that back ankle. Now, if you're not able to touch that ankle, just reach the hand back and lift that thigh. And we're just going to hold here for a second. Lifting up with that thigh. And you're just breathing here. Trying to keep the back of the head and the neck as long as possible. And then from here, go ahead and relax out of it. All right, same thing on the other side. So let's stretch that left leg out. We're reaching the right arm nice and long. From here, we're gonna lift that leg up, and we sweep the right arm back. Reach it forward and lower. And again, lift and sweep. Now, while you're here, be mindful of the back. So we're trying not to arch. I want you to really pull the belly button in. And let's go ahead and take that one more time. Good, let's take that stretch. We're lifting the leg. Go ahead and bend that knee, stretch your right arm, and then we're reaching back. Grab a hold of that ankle if that's available. If not, you're just lifting the thigh, reaching your hand towards your foot. And then go ahead and come out of that. All right, so let's take a quick stretch. We're going to go ahead and reach your left arm up towards the ceiling. So you're opening up the chest. And now let's thread this arm through. So you're in a nice twist here. And then let's take that arm up to the ceiling. Again, you're reaching, opening up the chest, and then threading it through. And then from here, let's go ahead and come center in that 4-point kneel. Let's take the same thing. Other side, right arm reaches up. You're twisting and opening up the spine. And then we're threading through. And then let's take that one more time, reaching up. And then let's go ahead, thread that arm. All right, now from here, let's go ahead and come to sitting. You're gonna go ahead and soften the knees and let's lie down. So you're rolling all the way down to the back, pressing those palms down. You're opening up the chest, and let's go ahead and go right into our bridge. So let's curl the hips, sending the tailbone up. Feel the shoulders sliding down the back, and then let's go ahead and melt back down. And let's take that again, curling up and lift and lower. 2 more just like that. And again, curl. You're squeezing the seat, pulling the belly button in and melt. And let's take that one last time. Curling up, lift, and then go ahead and roll back down through the spine. Drop that tailbone. Now from here, we're going to add arms. So I'm going to have you go ahead and find that bridge again. Hold it here. We're taking the arms back towards the ears. From here, I want you to roll down through the spine. You're sinking the tailbone down, and then we press those arms. Let's keep that going. Curling up, find the height of that bridge, and send the arms back. And then rolling down. Good, press those palms. Let's take that again, 2 more. Lifting the hips. Good, send those arms back. And then rolling through the spine. And press. One more time, just like that. And again, curling up. Find the height of that bridge. Reach those arms back. Good, roll back down. And then let's go ahead and press the palms down. Now from here, we're finding that bridge again. Go ahead and curl up. Squeeze the seat. And then I'm going to have you open up the knees. And then close them in. And again, we open and close. Keep that going. So we're just working the inner thighs for a second. You're still feeling the shoulders pulling down the back, and energy is reaching out through the fingertips. And let's take that again for 3 and 2. Good. One more time. Open and squeeze. And then from here, go ahead and roll all the way down. Excellent. Go ahead and pull the knees into the chest. From here, we're going to go ahead and bring the hands behind the head. So nice wide elbows. We're going to curl the head up. And let's float our legs to tabletop position. From here, stay in this curl. I want you to feel those shoulders pulling down the back. We're extending that right leg out nice and long. And then bring it back in the tabletop. And let's take that left side. Reach and scoop. So you're pulling the belly button down. Elongating the neck and feeling those shoulders sliding down. Let's take that again. Reach it out and scoop and reach Good, we're taking this one more time with each leg. And last one here. Excellent. From here, go ahead and rest the head, neck, and shoulders. And then we're going to reset. Let's go ahead and curl the head back up. From here, both legs reach out together. Let's connect the heels so that the legs feel a little bit lighter. We're going to reach it out and then bring the knees back in. And feel free to keep the legs parallel if having this rotated position is too much. Bring it in. That's it. Try to keep that curl. And I want you to even think about the shoulder blades coming off of the floor. Reach and scoop. Good. 2. And let's take this one more time. Pull the knees in, rest your head, neck, and shoulders. Great work. From here, let's go ahead and reach your legs out nice and long. Arms are reaching up towards the ceiling. We're digging those heels down. And let's go ahead and curl up. I want you to feel those shoulders sliding down the back, and you're peeling your spine off as you reach up and over. And we're rolling back down with control. Arms reach back. And let's take that again. Shoulders pull down, curling up. And we reach up and over. Good. Rolling back. Let's take that one more time. Last one. And we take the arms up. Draw those shoulders down, curling up. Big scoop. This time we stay up and over the legs. Take that final stretch here. And then go ahead and relax the arms. Now we're taking this into our spine twist. So from here, your feet are about hip width apart. And we're going to reach the arms out to the side. Lift up as tall as you can. And then we're going to take a big twist to the right side. And then we're going to untwist. And then let's take that to the left and untwist. And let's take that again. Big twist to right. You're twisting as much as you can. And left. Good. Now we're going to bring the hands behind the head. Nice wide elbows. Still lifting up as tall as you can. We're flexing the feet. I want you to take a big inhale. And on your exhale, we're going to do a double pulse to the right. So inhale. And we twist, twist, and center. And we twist, twist. That's it. Keep it going to the right. Now, while you're here, I want you to be mindful if one hip is pulling back. And if it is, try to keep it still. So the goal here is to keep our hips as square as possible while we're twisting the spine. Take that one more time each way. And take it to the left. Good. And then from here, let's go ahead and round over. Take a quick stretch. All right. Now from here, let's go ahead and come onto your stomach. We're going to go ahead and extend those legs out. And we can start with the hands to the side. Now you're pulling the belly button in. I want you to really feel those shoulders pulling down the back. And then from here, actually, let's go ahead and bring your hands behind the head. Let's go ahead and lift up. So we're working the back, still drawing the shoulders down. And again, lift and lower. I want you to think about lengthening so the head is reaching forward as you lift up. And let's take that again. We lift. Feel free to take this one with the hands down as well. Just drawing those shoulders down. And we go 2 and lift. Pull that belly button in. And let's take that one more time. And then go ahead and lower down. Now from here, we're going to reach those arms forward. We're going to lift the back up, and I want you to pull the elbows back. And then lower down, reach those arms forward. And again, pull and reach. Good. Take that again for 4. Nice. And 3. 2. Take it one more time. Last one. Pull and reach. All right, from here, let's go ahead and come into our child's pose. So we're stretching out the back, sit back towards those heels. From here, we're going to come into our downward dog. So let's tuck the toes or send the tailbone up. Go ahead and pedal through the feet for a second. Really pressing the opposite heel down as you bend the knee. You're pressing firmly into the hands. From here, I'm going to have you go ahead and walk your hands in towards your feet. Feel free to soften the knees if you need to. From here, we're going to roll all the way up to standing. We're going to reach those arms up to the ceiling. And then from here, we're rounding over. Drop the chin to the chest. And let's go ahead and walk back out into that downward dog position. Sending the hips up nice and high. And let's walk the hands back. Good. We're rolling up to standing. Let's go ahead and bring the arms out to the side and reach. And then let's press the arms down. Let's take that one more time. Rolling down. Feel those shoulders pulling down the back. And let's walk back out to our downward dog one last time. Really press the heels down. And then last time here, go ahead and walk the hands back in. Good, pull that navel into the spine. You're stacking your spine bone by bone. Feel the shoulders pulling down the back. And bring the head up. All right, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this outfit and would like to purchase it for yourself, please check out the shelf below. Stay tuned for the next video of my series, and I'll see you then.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. Available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.